Hey guys, this is shaFs and welcome to the shaFs, and if you are new here, please do subscribe and press the all notification so you never miss an update. So today we will talk about the leaked price of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro in the US, which are very surprisingly attractive. So without further ado, let's start the video. So last month Google teased the Pixel 6 series and the company cautioned that the Pro will be more expensive as compared to the standard Pixel 6. Now Pixel 6 and 6 Pro prices in the US has been leaked, suggesting that they could be among the most affordable flagships launched this year. So according to Target pre-listing prices spotted by the YouTuber Brandon Lee, which has the YouTube channel This is Tech Today, the base Google Pixel 6 will come at $599. Meanwhile, the Pixel 6 Pro will come at $898. So despite Google's warning, these prices aren't what we consider outlandishly expensive for the flagship as compared to the other big companies like Samsung and Xiaomi. Although it promised several upgrades, the Pixel 6 would undercut the firmly mid-ranger Pixel 5. We started at $699 when it was launched. If the rumored pricing structure holds water, then the Pixel 6 Pro will easily undercut the Galaxy S21 Plus, which goes around $999 and $969 for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So compare these rumored prices in the US with the Europe ones. These are definitely more attractive. In Europe, the Pixel 6, which was spotted at €649, which is around $758, while the Pro could start at €899, which is equivalent to $1050. So these are more attractive. So these are just the leaked rumored prices of Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. We don't have to wait for the price confirmation though. Google will reveal the prices on October 19, which is tomorrow. We just have to be patient. That's all from this video. If you like what you're seeing, then do like and subscribe to my channel and press the all notifications so you never miss an update. And if you want to say something or have any suggestion, then please write it down in the comment section. This is shaFs and I will see you in the next one.